Hi guys and hi guys and hi guys.
Why the take 2 and take 3? Weirdo.
Welcome back to our channel Kore Desi. You make me hungry sometimes by making me watch all these good K-dramas with that good food.
Yeah, one day we have to eat. I think we are planning to do a movie review, and that time maybe we can sit with popcorn or something, or maybe some food.
Something Korean.
No, something biryani type. I love biryani.
And you say Kore.
You can have ramen. Okay, so what are we doing? Answer
Don't
it.
copy my line.
Answer it.
So we are watching today Woo-sung and August D feat Ryuichi Sakamoto. Snooze. We are watching Snooze, right?
Yes. So Woo-sung is from The Rose and August D is from BTS, and they collaborated.
Feat
Some Japanese guy, I don't know what he does in the song. Maybe it is his song. They both are just performing.
Ryuichi Sakamoto.
Yeah, he's some Japanese guy. Please let us know what is what. And
Moshi Moshi Yamamoto-san.
she only knows one thing in Japanese.
Moshi Moshi Yamamoto-san.
And the other being Shinchan, but that we don't watch in Japanese.
Moshi Moshi.
Okay, so let's start.
Yeah. Miuchi Miuchi Moshi Moshi.
Somebody stop her.
괜찮아.
나를 보며 꿈을 꾸고 있는 당신의 등 뒤엔 항상 내가 있으니 너무 걱정은 마라. 추락이 두렵다면 기꺼이 받아줄게. 그러니 나처럼 괴로워하지 마라. 꿈을 위해서 쭉 잠을 자는 그대 쉬어도 돼. 오늘만큼은 꿈조차도 꾸지 마라. 당신이 말없이 옅은 미소를 내게 띄워줄 때 그제서야 비로소 마음이 조금 놓여. 많이 힘들 수도 있어 내가 걸어왔던 이 길이 꽃길 같아 보였겠지만 사방이 저기 가시밭길이었단 걸 알고 시작하길 꽃을 뿌려주는 일을 절대 너는 잊지 말기. 웃고 있을 때 우는 일을 절대 잊지 마. 그들은 네 미소에 하루를 살아가니까. 반복되는 일종 속 내가 지워질 때 벅찬다면 괜찮아. 그대 조금 쉬어도 돼. 크게 울어줘 세상이 미워질 때. 널 반기던 손이 손가락질로 변했을 때 한숨 크게 쉬고 시발 죽겠네 외쳐도 돼. 너 또한 누구와 다르지 않은 사람에게 이 괴롭고 외로운 길을 넌 왜 선택했을까?
It's a motivational song for me. Like I can for the
I
lyrics.
am unable to keep up with the rap lyrics. If I read the subtitles, I cannot hear. If I try to hear, I cannot read it. So it is difficult for me.
So it's like he's
Maybe I'll understand the lyrics later. First of all, I'll hear the song.
let me speak first. It's like
Because you understood.
it's like when somebody is
Okay. It's happening for the first time. She's trying to explain.
I'll talk to you in business terms. So when somebody is starting a startup, he's taking the road not taken, and he's facing difficulties. And this song is kind of motivating.
Who
for
wrote
them.
The Road Not Taken?
Dash.
Was it Robert Frost? Who was it? Okay.
So it's like he's telling them to rest and not to pay attention to people who are laughing, and keep hustling, keep doing the work, keep on the hard work, but still take a little rest, because otherwise you will burn out in corporate terms. So I've tried to explain you in business and corporate terms. Maybe you can have another interpretation.
Why does it feel like my life?
Continue.
그 이후로 시간이 지나도 절대 잊지 마. 당신들의
Dreams,
꿈들이
about
꿈들로만
dreams.
남지 않게 언제 어디서든 나 당신들을 응원할게.
I'll be the one cheering for you.
Shout out to his voice. I simply love his vocals. I'm talking about Woo-sung. Yeah. Something is there. Soul is there.
Your heart is there.
한계가 깨고 흩어질 때 떠나갈게. 나를 보며 꿈을 꾸고 있는 당신의 등 뒤에 항상 내가 있으니 너무 걱정은 마라. 추락이 두렵다면 기꺼이 받아줄게. 그러니 나처럼 괴로워하지 마라. 꿈을 위해서 쪽잠을 자는 그대 쉬어도 돼. 오늘만큼은 꿈조차도 꾸지 마라. 당신이 말없이 옅은 미소를 내게 띄워줄 때 그제서야 비로소 마음이 조금 놓여. 이곳은 정성 없는 전쟁터야. 같은 동료들이 적야. 숫자가 보여주는 잔인하고도 이쁜 선악. 남을 죽이지 못하면 내가 죽어야 돼. 이 바닥은 링이 아닌데 왜 누굴 죽여야 해. 단순히 좋아했던 일이 조금은 싫어질 때 바람들이 바람에 사무쳐 휩쓸려 갈 때 괜찮아. 지나보면 모든 것이 추억이고 수업이 돼. 잊지 마라. 세상은 네 내심이 그리 길진 않아. 남의 논란에 절대 웃지 말게. 또한 그 순간이 올지 모르니 너의 성공은 목줄이자 족쇄가 될 거거든. 또 외줄 타는 기분들이 너를 옥죄일 거야. 그냥
About real life.
Yeah. I mean, the lyrics cannot get more real than this.
Dreams, the reality, colleagues. He spoke about colleagues
Yeah,
that don't.
and then they are also talking about that be grounded.
Yeah.
Be grounded.
That do not laugh on other people's controversy
Exactly.
because one day you can be in their spot.
Yes.
Which
And-
is so true. Karma,
Yeah.
which of course the English people, we call it karma.
Karma is a bitch.
Yeah, karma
And
hits
then,
back.
yes, of course, they are also telling you to take a break here and
Yeah,
there.
and it's like talking about a person also that they smile and you look at their smile and you feel relieved, a kind of.
Yeah.
So look for those people. Majorly they are friends and family only.
크게 웃어줘. 세상이 떠나가듯 그냥 버텨줘. 당신이 어디 있든 당신들의 꿈들이 꿈들로만 남지 않게 언제 어디서든 날 당신들을 응원할게.
Look.
한계가 깨고 흩어질 때 떠나갈게. 괜찮아질 거야. 다 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 괜.
He's saying some differentiate.
Genchanachiko.
Yeah, like Gwenchana is it's okay.
Yes. Everything will be okay. Genchanana. Sorry, I fumbled.
Let us know the whole pronunciation.
괜찮아질 거야. 다 괜찮아질 거야. 다 괜찮아질 거야.
The Genchanachiko.
그대의 창조와 삶의 끝에 함께하길 Dream. 그대의 자리가 어딜지라도 관대하길 Dream.
He is
결국
Sakamoto.
시간의 끝에
Maybe.
만개하길 Dream. 시작은 미약할지 언제 끝에 창대하길 Dream. 떨어질 때 받아줄게 무지개 끝에 닿았을 때 떠나갈게. 나를 보고 꿈을 꾸고
Blooming dreams.
당신의 등 뒤엔 항상 내가 있으니 너무 걱정은 마라. 추락이 두렵다면 기꺼이 받아줄게. 그러니 나처럼 괴로워하지 마라. 꿈을 위해서 쪽잠을 자는 그대 쉬어도 돼. 오늘만큼은 꿈조차도 꾸지 마라. 당신이 말없이 옅은 미소를 내게 띄워줄 때 그제서야 비로소 마음이 조금 놓여. 조금 놓여. Dream.
He is captured in. Oh, okay.
Oh.
In the loving memory of.
But who was he? We need to Google.
Yes. But August D and Woo-sung, both of their voices blended so well. Like when they overlap. When they overlap, their voices were so.
He was a Japanese musician, composer.
He's the same person. Yeah, you guessed the person right.
Yeah, keyboardist, record producer, singer, actor. Oh.
So that's nice. They're paying the tribute, and
Yeah.
okay, so it must be based on his life. And they have
Maybe it was his song.
Oh, yeah. And one more thing I felt, they use stock footages of their concerts, their live short snippets of them recording. So it's like based on their work life, which is, of course, music also, but it's meant for all.
So he was the keyboardist in the song.
So the song was released when?
I mean, the song is of course old. 3-4 years ago, maybe. Two years ago. This is 2 years ago. I don't know when the song was released. This video, I think it's not the official video. There is no official video for this song.
Oh, that is why snippets
Yes.
of videos. Okay, got
Yeah.
it. Of behind the scenes, the
Yes.
recording, the concerts, snippets.
I could not keep up with the rap lyrics because obviously rap is quite fast, but
It was the major portion.
yes, of course, Woo-sung only had 3-4 lines, but whatever.
I explained it to you.
Yes, madam. But it was quite a motivational, inspiring song, and a song which
Tells you that there is someone.
talks about life in general,
Yeah.
what you will experience.
Yeah. What you'll experience and what
Yes.
you are experiencing now and what you should do.
Yes.
Made
yeah.
me think. It fits in like all, like every
It's
life story.
Relatable, first of all.
Every life story. Anyone in corporate, anyone in business, anyone in any artisty field, creative field.
Artistry?
I can create words, don't worry.
Okay.
I can
Amazing
create,
song.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's it. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Bye.